Hello, my name is Daniel Warchel, and I am in this Kamenar's third hour app development class at Waukesha North High School in Waukesha, Wisconsin. And today I will be showing you how to create a video player within Swift. Now, a video player is really important for if you want to use any kind of audio-visual cues within your app. So let's get right into it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is have your video saved to your computer. I already have it right here. And then once you have it, you're going to double click it and drag over to your sidebar right here and just place it within anywhere. I just already put it in right here, and since I already did that, I'm just going to let it go. So that is all done. That's the first step that you need to do. And then you're going to go into main.storyboard and you're going to create a button. I've already done that right there. Pictures, I just put those in just to make it look nice. You don't have to have those. And then you're going to go into viewcontroller.swift. So the next thing you're going to want to do is way up here on line 10. You may not have noticed it at first, but it's called import AV kit. So the UI kit lets us put in buttons and labels to our code. The AV kit lets us put in video options. So here's my button connection that I already did on line 19. And so the next thing you're going to want to do is create an Iflex statement to actually find the video. So this is basically saying if you can find the video, and then we got to figure out how to play our video. So the first thing it's going to do is say that the path that it's looking for is equal to bundle.main.path. And once you start typing in path, it'll start to autocomplete and it'll say for resource string of type string. You can just click enter on that and let it autocomplete. Don't type it all out. So you might be wondering where bundle comes from. If we go back up to our main page right here, and we go over here into build phases and copy bundle resources, you can see our video has showed up right here. And it says bundle resources, so that is where bundle is coming from. So now hopping back into our view controller, we're looking for the resource, and that should be the name of your actual video. I have it named March Madness Intro, and it should match the case and everything as it is up here. And then don't include the dot in it before the file type. That you just keep it out. So then for the of type, for me it's mauve. Don't do .mov. Just do mauve, and it might be MP4. It might be M4A. Those are the few video types that I can think of off the top of my head, but you'll want to do whatever your video has. So for me, it was March Madness Intro and then Mauve. For you, it might be video and then MP4. Who knows? But then basically this is just finding it. Now we have to actually tell the code that this is a video. So we're going to say that our video is the video's URL is our path, which is this whole bundle. This is the file type, and we're telling the code that this is a video that we'll later want to play. So now that the code knows that it's a video, we have to set up our video player, the thing that'll pop up and actually let the video play. And one nice thing about Swift is that it already has a view controller set up for video players. So we don't have to do any of that or create any new view controllers within our main.storyboard. So all we have to just type in is AV player view controller, and we're all set with that. And then right here, this video player.player equals video. That is connecting the video player to the video. And that's just telling it that when the video player pops up, we want it to play our video. And now we have to set it up so that when it hits the button, it will actually play the video. So here, the present part will let us start playing the video. So then so it's telling the button once it's pressed to present our video player, and animated, it'll come up as a bool. We want it to be true because it is a video, of course. So then we have the video player and it's playing, and then we're saying that we want the actual video to start playing. And so that is all the code that we will need to get the video to play. So now, since Mac and Cloud doesn't have any sound and I want to actually make sure that it works, testing out with sound, I'm going to cut to using an actual Mac and testing it out on there.
As good as it gets. Oh my God! Phenomenal! Dreams to come true.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Greg Gumbel. Welcome to the NCAA Men's Basketball Championship Selection Show.
Thank you so much for watching today's video on how to create a video player within Swift. I hope you learned something new, and I hope this video was enjoyable to watch. Thank you so much for your time, and take care.